Hello friends, welcome once again to the channel. So whatever has been told in the last video, which has been published on what day, let me tell, it is published on 20th April. Okay, it was for 29th April onwards. So last video what I have told you is that in this zone 15,039 to 14,990 will be the exact level of where we can see some retracement towards the back, towards the down move, reverse side we can see. And also I have told you that RSI is getting hit up, and it was in 80. Okay, and this was I told you that there will be a fourth move, and the fifth move will be around 15,039. So what happened on 29th, it gap up and it fall down. And also, as per the time analysis, I have told that Thursday and Friday would be the fall. So if you have not listened to that video, go ahead and listen once again. In that, clearly I told Thursday and Friday would be the fall, and this is a zone from where the Nifty would be retraced back downwards. And I told that 15,080 level, 15,080 of where the Nifty went gap up from there. Okay, so 15,080 was there. So from here actually, so 15,080 was the level from where 14,580. If Nifty was Nifty closed above this, and Nifty moves towards this zone, and that has been told also. And 15,080 will be the good support level over here, 15,080 to this one. This will be the good support. But right now, current analysis what I did, that how it will be tomorrow, Monday, the Nifty would open somewhere like this. Nifty would open, and let me draw. Nifty would open, and somewhere at 12:30 it will move again. Okay, it will move again. So this will be the trend actually. Some consolidation to the fall. Okay, buy side fall, and again the Nifty will move back. But then the RSI will be hit up, and it will also move back, and from here again the fall will be there. Okay, so Tuesday, this will be the view for Monday. This is the view for Monday, and this is the view for Tuesday. Tuesday will also, the Nifty will fall, and Tuesday it can come towards 14,360 around. So let me tell you. So now what is the Nifty making is, Nifty is making now, if the 5 wave, if I see 1, 2, 3, and here it will be around here, it will be somewhere around here, because this is going to break 4 will be like this, and 5. Okay, so Nifty will come 5 move down. After a 5 move down over here, we can see this will be, and this will be, what will be this will be ABC. Actually this will be A, and then this will be B, and then again a 5 move will be there. So most probably, if we break this zone 14,152 again, okay, if you are breaking this zone 14,152 again, then again the target will be open for 13,900 to 800 zone. So that is what I am seeing. So I don't know about the election result and all those things. I don't know about the news and nothing. So what I am telling, so this is the view what the current market Nifty is making a trend. So this trend will be valid till Tuesday. Actually till Tuesday we will see some fifth move will be correcting over here, 14,452, 14,360. So this zone you mark it. So I feel some correction would come over here. Okay, so let me mark the zone from where it can some retracement would come and some fall would be happen. So right now I'm bearish in the market, as you all know, because trend is now negative. So it is simple. What I told you is that 13 days moving average you have to look. If 13 days moving average low is getting broken, then the trend is negative. So the position what I have told you from here, yeah, it has been given. If you have not seen that video, very clearly it has been told that from here a fall would come, and you should go ahead and see that video. That's very clear. Now it is very clear that Monday it will be the trend will be like this, and not the trend will be like this. This is the Monday trend. Okay, this is the Monday trend. So trend will be like this. First half it will be negative, and then it will then a rise will happen, which will make it 4. Okay, so this is 1, so suppose this is 1, this is 2, and this is going to be 3, and this is 4, and 5 is still there, it is open. So 5 is will take the call, either 5 can be terminated over here also, or the low which has been made in Monday, the low which will be made on Monday, the 5 can be from here also, so it can go up also. So that is what I am telling. So once it is done, so this will be whole count will be A. Okay, then it will be B, and then it will be C. The invalidated zone it will come. Let me once the trend it will mark, Nifty will make the trend, then only we will tell that what will be the invalidated zone and what will be not, what will be valid. So right now the trend is that Monday and Tuesday is negative, and Monday is first half negative, and for second half it is positive. Second half a good move can come, but after that I can see some fall, and which will make sure that on Tuesday also the fall is there. So and Wednesday there will be full of consolidation, and then Friday fall is there. So right now the trend what I have analyzed according to time analysis, it is negative. So let me see. So this is the all these zone are there. So let me clear it and tell you where some supports and where some support will come. So this support is going to break 14,580. No need to check this one. So what I'm telling, okay. So let me put the Fibonacci retracement and get the zone for you. So see this one 1.618% is coming. So in the whole move we can get completed in 14,360 over this level. Then a move will become, okay, then a trend will come, which will be B move, and this will be whole A move will come, then this will be. So what I am likely seeing is that there is a chances of fall till Tuesday 14,360. Till Tuesday the chances are there is a 14,360 onward the fall can be there, because it is almost it has taken some support here 14,588, and Monday I am not seeing any any direction actually, because the direction is negative, and after that be little bit of positive where it can make a fourth move. So this at least this is the price action. According to the price action, let me tell you where can be the zone. 14,550, and this one is this 14,530. So if the Nifty is negative, it can break till 14,530 to 14,457. A low can be made over here, or low can be made over here. Okay, so a low can be made over here. So that is what my point is. So this is the low 14,530 to 14,460. A low can be made over here till 1230. Okay, after 1230 some movement will be there, and it will Nifty will again move up, and it will show you that there is ongoing trend will be going to be there. So this is the one. Let me see the 13 days moving average high and low also. Moving average 13 days moving average high and low. Let me get some 13 days moving average high, 13 days moving average low. Okay, so so low is already broken actually, and see the, so as told also that it is low is broken on Tuesday, and as soon as the low is broken, once it will retrace, you should take the position for the short position, not to be afraid, because anyhow in the Nifty or market you have to give some stop loss, and that is the risk. Even if you are selling a tomato also, selling tomato also is having a risk. Any business is having a risk, and you have to take that risk of 100 points or 200 points, so that you can get a big profit. So this was the risk actually, and and whoever was the aggressive trader, they would have taken the risk over here, like me. So 15,039, where I told you that 14,992 over that zone. Some aggressive trading, some means that is the 2.168% of this move, whole move. So from there, absolutely a fall is there. You cannot you can deny it, because RSI was heated up, and absolutely a fall was there, and it came down. Okay, so right now Monday also will see a fall till 14,430 zone, and where after 12:30 some positive move will come, and that will be the fourth move what I am telling. So Monday and Tuesday, Monday is the, so again I am telling that is the first half is negative and second half positive, then Tuesday some fall is there. So that will complete the fifth move. So 14,360, the overall position what I am seeing is the fall will be there, 14,360 to 340, or that logical level is 300, so not more than that. So up to there fall will be there, then from there I will again review it, and I will tell you what is going to happen for the Nifty for Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So that is what I meant to tell, and this is my view for the Nifty. If you take any trade according to your own risk appetite, and also consult your financial advisor, whoever it is. This is just for educational purpose, for what I am telling, and because I show you how the Nifty and the count is going on. If you see in the 1 hour also, I have shown you the last video also, I have shown you the count, and the detail count of the video you can see in the detail section. I have always shared. People are telling that why you are not sharing the detail count and all. So that has also been shared in this one, and 25th January also that same count has been shared. It is not this is actually 3 4, and this is 5. Actually 5 is completing over here, because it is a whole move from here to here is a 2.618%. So 5 is already completed. So from 5 here it is completed. So here we are going. I thought that this will be a correction till up to ABC, but when it extends, then now the point got invalidated, and see, it should, I thought that this should be the almost here the correction would complete, but as soon as it is below this 13 days moving average low, I thought that it is going to extend. So because if it would be opening of flat, then it would go over here and it would have got some, because it opens the gap down below this 13 days moving average low, then it rise up, and then it came down. So that makes me sure that it is going to extend towards this up to this 14,360 to 14,340. So that's why, because, and I also have told you that Thursday and Friday would have a good fall. That's why so it came to my mind that this will be extend up to 2.618%. So that's how it is in the Nifty, and it is very clear. I have given the zone, so market guy mark the zone. So this was the zone. Tomorrow we'll see some this will get heated up, and we'll up to here, then we'll get some move up. So this is the idea of the Nifty and the view for the Nifty. So Nifty bank also same thing happens actually. So that's the level I have already given. I told you that on that day, if it is moving up and closing 34,000 level, but as soon as it opens gap up and it came down in 15 minutes and 30 minutes, you should 1 hour always you see that if it is closing above this zone, or if it is closing above, then it could have gone to 35,000 3.618%, which was my idea was. But when Nifty gap down and Nifty also could not close like that because 13 days moving average low, then you should it is always clear that Nifty bank would also fall. And now the Nifty bank is also falling, and it will be somewhat the same scenario, same pattern where it will follow in the this one in Nifty whatever it is, and it will Nifty bank would also fall the same on the same line only. So let's see what is the zone over here. So now if you see this how much it has been corrected. So this is 1 2 3 see. So this is almost it is not been corrected. See 1.618%. It is already it is not corrected yet. So naturally it would come to 32,338. Okay, this is the pattern what I'm seeing. So Nifty has come towards this 1.618%, and Nifty would be falling some more what I told, and Nifty bank would take support over here 32,238 to over this zone. Exactly Fibonacci retracement would not take the support. So what I am telling is that you see some price action also to see this one 32,115 to 32,338. Nifty bank would also fall, and it would also make a move, and after that from here some support would come, and it will again retrace towards 32,000. After 12:30 it is bit positive, and after 3 or something it will be a little bit of negative will be there 245. So 245 to 3 it will little bit of negative, and again it will start falling, but it will be not fall so much. But what I am saying that Tuesday it will again fall, and it will come to 31,340. So Nifty bank is also following the pattern. And Monday also it will fall. First up it is negative, and it will fall, and it will again go to this zone, and again we will see some on this one. But it is absolutely because it has not made the third move till yet. Third move is pending, because first move 32,955 has been crossed, and it is going to fall to 32,238. From here to here you take it that some around 400 points fall is there. So 32,115 would be the most ideal support. Okay. That's it guys for the Nifty and Nifty bank. So I'll come up with the video on Monday or Tuesday with the latest scenario of when the fall is going to stop, and when it is going to retrace towards the positive move. If there is some count mismatch or some positive note is there, then if the trend is going to reverse, then also I will let you know. But if the trend is negative, then I will come on the end of the day, end of the Tuesday. Okay, fine. Right guys, hope all your trading my ideas are helpful to you and beneficial to you. So please subscribe to the channel and share the videos with your friends. They will also get benefited, and you will also get benefited. That's it.